I want to agree with Pagan that indeed I think we all of us need to pay a special tribute to a person, an outstanding African, an outstanding Pan-Africanist, who was concerned not only about Sudan, but about the fate of the African peoples as a whole. I think Paganis is correct, that we, as we celebrate, not celebrate, as we mark this the anniversary of his untimely death, we owe him a particular tribute. And indeed, I think it is correct that that tribute must be the realization of the dream which drove him throughout his life. The dream of peace among the peoples of Sudan, both North and South. A dream of a new Sudan that would indeed serve as an example to all of us as Africans about how to manage a society as diverse and as complex as the society from which the people from the two Sudans emerged. And that I think that tribute in that context must be that we do indeed conclude as quickly as possible the negotiations that are taking place. As a panel, we're quite convinced that the distance between the two parties is not very big, that it requires the necessary will to bridge those little gaps. And therefore, that together we should say, when indeed our principals, the President Omar al-Bashir and John Salva Mayardit, indeed when they come and join us, when they do to come and put the final seal of approval to that agreement, that we can indeed say, all of us, that we dedicate that achievement to the John Garang who signed the CPA, signaling the beginning of what was going to be a very, very happy journey for him and all the people that he led. A journey which was cut short when he died 7 years ago today. But as a panel, we want to convey our message of solidarity to all of these comrades who worked with John Garang, people that he led, and indeed to all the Sudanese, both from Sudan and South Sudan, who are here. We convey our solidarity and say that we will try and stay the course with you in order to achieve these things which need to be achieved in the name of John Garang Dimabia. Thanks a lot.